check out this condensed milk, homemade condensed milk. If you want to know how, guys, welcome to our channel. If today is the first time of coming across our channel, my name is Sharon and you're welcome to Sharon and Chris TV. So guys, today I'm making condensed milk. So I'm using these two milk in making my condensed milk, these two liquid milk. So I'm going to pour the liquid milk inside, and what we need in making this is just liquid milk and sugar. So keep on watching. If today is the first time of coming across our channel, you're highly welcome, and thank you for supporting us. So pouring the second milk in. So this is homemade condensed milk. How to make your homemade condensed milk. Okay, it's very easy. So I've put on the gas. I'm going to cover it now to allow it to boil, so before stirring. So keep on watching, guys. Okay, please, if you have not yet subscribed, please subscribe, like, share our video. Okay, this is original condensed milk, homemade. So let's keep on watching, guys. You see, our milk have started boiling, so now it's time to start stirring. If you have non-stick pan, pot is very nice to use. So I'm using this one. You can use any pot. So you keep on stirring. This will take time, but just bear with me. I want you guys to see the process. So you put it in the medium heat so that it will not split that finish. Still in progress. You allow it to dry down and give you that result you want. So look at it. When you stir, you leave it for some time and allow it to boil. So guys, I'm going to add my sugar. You know, condensed milk is sugar, as in you put it sugar so that it will taste that sweet taste you want. So you stir, you put enough sugar, not too much, oh, that you start eating and you'll be purging. Just put enough sugar that you know that is okay. So me, I put half a cup of sugar because I don't want mine to be too sweet. So you can put your own, depends on your choice. So guys, can you see it's coming up gradually? It's sticking up. So guys, can you see our condensed milk have started changing color? So can you see? See? So now just stir gently and see. Can you see now? You can also check my hand. My dear, look at it. Our condensed milk is already burning safe. So I'm going to allow it to simmer now. So you see the result. So I'm going to allow it to cool down, and I will show you the outlook of it. Hope you enjoy this video. If you enjoy this video, give it a try. Look at it, because my pot is not stick pan, so that's why I'm having all these burns. But as far as we get the result we want, we'll move. So keep on watching. Thank you guys. So guys, this is the result. Ignore this black thing inside. Is because, like I said, I did not use non-stick pan, so I make use of my pots I have. So you can make, if you have non-stick pan, it's perfect, you can make use of it. So this is our condensed milk, our homemade delicious local condensed milk. So you can try this out. It's very nice. You can use it for custard, you can use it for your chocolate tea, anything you want. It's very nice. It has been long I buy condensed milk at the supermarket. I bought, anytime I want condensed milk, I buy liquid milk and I make my own. So that is it. Hope you enjoy this video. Please, if you have not yet subscribed, please subscribe, like, share to your friends, and thank you for supporting us. Stay safe and be good. Ciao. Mwah.